Okay, hi there guys, and welcome back to the channel. To all the new subscribers, thank you, really appreciate it. This is a video that is taking about 2 months to make, because today we are going to be unboxing the EcoFlow Alternator charger so that we can charge the EcoFlow Delta 2 and our Wave 2 air conditioner. So like I said, basically two parts. We got the unboxing, that's at the start. That was done about 2 months ago when we were making the chair up front, the sitting area. And last couple days, well yesterday, I actually installed it and absolutely love this piece of kit. It's gonna be real good for us. So, thank you, welcome. Hope you like. Okay, EcoFlow Alternator chargers, 3-in-1 charger and care solution, 800 watts of turbocharged power. Let's see what is in this box. Little unboxing, and then we'll install it a little bit later. Inside the big box, there is 2 separate boxes. This looks like it's going to be the actual component itself, and it is taped. Let's see if we can do this one-handed. No, we can't. Let's see if we can do it now. Well, look at that. I'm going to take it, that is the quick start manual, yippers, and this is the main unit itself. Oh damn, that is way heavier than I thought it was going to be. They did not cheap out on making this. Okay, well, that's pretty cool. We'll get to all the ins and outs of it later. And the second box looks like it's all the cables. It says the input cable, the XT150 output cable, and the fuse cable. Well, let's see what we got. Okay, what is this? We shall see. We'll get to that later. Okay. This is a massive cable right here. That must be the one that goes from the battery all the way to where you're going to install it. Let's take a look at it. In that second box was the fuse cable, so that will go to the positive on the battery. And then we got this big huge extension cable, so positive, this will attach to the positive, that will go positive to positive, the negative will go in the negative of the battery, and we can run this all the way back to the rear of the vehicle to where that is going to be installed. Okay, the other cable, let's see, that looks like the output, this looks like the output cable. It'll charge your EcoFlows. Everything is solid. I did not scrimp a penny on this. Okay, what is in this little boxy? Let's take a look. Ah, the mountain bracket. So that would be the mountain bracket to put on the back of that. So that's pretty good. So that's really impressed with the build quality. Okay, so what are we doing today? Well, we already ran the cable when we were building the chair for the EcoFlow. So it starts all the way in the front of the vehicle next to the battery and comes all the way out down here. The EcoFlow, this component, is going to be living somewhere under there, and that way I can have the batteries back here, EcoFlow, and the Wave 2 charging while we're driving. So the plan is to install it today fully and test it out and see how it works. So we'll see how that goes. So right now, like I said, this component here is dead. It's gonna live under there, right there. Comes with the mounting bracket for it. Comes with the screws, the little Allen head keys and stuff like that. This is an important tool. If you lose this, you're pretty much screwed, because this is how you disconnect. When this is plugged in to the unit, that is how you disconnect it. So this is the cable that goes from the EcoFlow unit itself, the charger, to whoever you are charging, I believe. We have to install this part on the battery, and it comes with a 125 amp fuse on it. So we will start at the front of the vehicle, work our way back, and we'll see how we go today. Okay, so the first part of every install when it comes to electrics, by the sounds of it, with this ProMaster, is always taking this battery cover off. So that's what we're gonna do. All you need is like a washer or a 25-cent piece or whatever. Insert it, turn, and that unlocks it. And we do that for all of them. Okay, that's the top cover off, but let's clean this up a little bit. There's all sorts of dirt and sand and rocks and debris in there. Okay, so that is vacuumed out and looking way cleaner than it was. What I've done is run this cable, the EcoFlow cable, through this part of the floor, so it comes out here. So I got the positive and the negative is over there for now. So now we gotta hook up the negative, and then we will install the fuse to the cable there and plumb it into the positive. Okay, so the positive is now attached to right here. It goes around. There's the 125 amp fuse right to there. It goes back here under the chair, and it goes all the way back to the back of the vehicle. So now that this is done, we'll button it up and we will head back there. Okay, next part is going to be installing the mounting bracket on the back of the unit itself. Okay, let's find a place for this thing to live. Okay, so she is now mounted in place. It takes 2 screws. And that's it. So now we're going to hook it up, get the EcoFlow out here, plug it in, and see if we charge. EcoFlow charger is installed, and we are plugged in to the EcoFlow Delta 2. So see how it goes. Okay, so right now I'm going to do a firmware update on that unit right there, because it's a little old and it doesn't want to communicate with the EcoFlow Alternator charger. So that is what we're doing. once that's done, we'll see how it works. Okay, I must have been the worst Delta 2 EcoFlow daddy in the world, because my Delta 2 needed 5 updates. So it is updated. She is sitting right there, plugged in, and it is fully charged. Now, if it wasn't for all the updates, this would have probably taken maybe 20 minutes to completely install. So really good, really happy with it. Okay, so I just put it in battery maintenance mode. Even with the engine running, she's taking power from the Delta 2 for battery maintenance. So that's pretty amazing. So that's real good. Okay, we'll stop doing that. We'll just go in charge mode. And the Delta 2 is still 100%, so it won't do anything. But it won't be sucking power from the battery. The Delta 2 while the engine's turned off. This is a good piece of kit.